This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Ensure you can unlock the device and that you know the Apple ID email. Once unlocked, open Settings and tap your name at the top to reveal Apple ID settings. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi so sync states update. You don't need to go to other apps, stay in Settings. This first step exposes the sign-out control and any linked services, which you'll manage next to prevent data loss. Now manage what stays on the device. Toggle off specific iCloud services like photos or contacts if you want local copies removed. Once done, tap Sign Out. Apple will ask for your Apple ID password to disable Find My, enter it to proceed. If prompted, choose whether to keep copies of calendars, contacts, and Safari data on the device. Make sure to read each prompt. These choices determine what remains locally versus. Complete the sign out and wait. This can take a minute while iCloud services detach. Once finished, Confirm Settings shows no Apple ID at the top. If the password is rejected, stop and reset your Apple ID password using the account recovery flow. Don't force repeated attempts. If Find My blocks sign out, ensure activation lock is disabled by removing the device from your Apple ID via iCloud. Finally, reboot the device to clear caches and verify the account is fully logged out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.